Hey YouTube, so yes, today we are in my kitchen. We're doing a different video today. I just wanted to get more into fitness and health and kind of break down the apple cider vinegar weight loss secret that everyone is talking about, okay? So before I actually start getting into that, go check out my previous video because I am doing a 1,000 subscribers giveaway on my channel, and one lucky winner is going to win all 3 prizes. So check out my last video. All right. So everybody is talking about apple cider vinegar. It helps you lose weight. You can magically get a 6-pack. You can look like this one day, and then one day you can look like that one day. Yes, so those are my results, honey, from the apple cider vinegar. Now, the apple cider vinegar, it doesn't help just for weight loss, guys. It is actually a detoxifying agent. So what it does is it goes in the insides of our bodies and it cleans us out and it keeps us nice and regular. So I know for me, apple cider vinegar is not just a weight loss thing that I use. It's actually something that I use for constipation and being, you know, just backed up, that bloating feeling and all that. I feel like apple cider vinegar honestly keeps me regular. Like that bloating is gone, that flat belly is coming. Like I just absolutely love the apple cider vinegar. And I also feel that it does suppress my appetite at work. I know I work in a corporate office setting, so every time you see snacks going around, you want to go ahead and grab those snacks, honey, because you just want some snacks, okay? But I actually learned how to stop doing that. The apple cider vinegar, it just gives me this feeling after I drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. It just gives me a feeling of fullness, and I feel refreshed, and I feel energized, and I feel ready for my day. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys actually what I use to make my own special apple cider vinegar drink. As I've done pretty much what everybody else is doing. I did the water with the honey, with the apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of lemon juice. That was boring. I didn't really like the taste of apple cider vinegar. I feel like it's a really bitter taste, and I also feel like the smell is horrible, and I'm one of those people to where like I either have to down it really fast or I just won't drink it at all. But I did find a way to kind of spruce up my little apple cider vinegar drink and just make it more fruitful and more tasteful because I definitely love fruity things. So I do incorporate fruits with my apple cider vinegar in my blender, and I make me a nice drink that is fruity, that is tasty, that is not freaking bitter. And that's what I absolutely love about this drink. Products that I use for my drink is of course, the Bragg's Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar with the Mother. So you want to make sure you get this. This is the unpasteurized kind, and this is with the Mother. So you definitely want to make sure you get this kind because this is where all your nutrients and everything is in, and all of this stuff on the bottom, those are those awesome nutrients that are going to actually detoxify our flavor. I do use the Great Value lemon juice from concentrate. You can use regular lemons, you can use lemon juice, whatever your preference is. Just get you some. So stevia is actually a sugar substitute or a sweetener, whatever you want to call it. And I absolutely love this stuff because it does make my apple cider vinegar drinks a little bit more sweeter in the morning, and I definitely do like it because it takes away that apple cider vinegar, like that horrible taste. It just takes it away and makes my drink more pleasant to drink in the morning. Whole strawberries, and this is the Great Value kind as well. I get these from Walmart. Now you do want to be careful when using fruits because you don't want to use too many because fruits have sugar in it, okay? So you definitely want to stay away from a lot of sugar whenever intaking fruits. That's why I do get the no added sugar straw. Kind of busted this bag open a little bit, y'all, but I do use whole blueberries as well in the same no added sugar, and I use this. And for my drink, I also use filtered water. I do use about 8 ounces of water first whenever making my apple cider vinegar. You're also going to need some type of blender. I use this little blender that I got from Walmart. I'm going to pour about 8 ounces of filtered water into my little blender glass. Boom. So we got our water, okay? Now I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of the stevia to my drink. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then I'm going to add just a handful of blueberries. You don't really have to measure, just use a handful. Same thing with the strawberries. I'm just going to go ahead and take a handful of these as well. So once you have everything ready to blend, your drink should pretty much look like this. You can see the apple cider vinegar in the water beginning to mix with the sugar, and then you could also see my blueberries in here and also my strawberries. So yeah, so it looks pretty tasty already. We didn't even blend it. But this blender could blend some stuff up, honey, so I don't have to use it no longer than about 30 seconds when making my drink. My drink is done. This is pretty much how it looks. It looks delicious. It looks like a strawberry smoothie. It just looks so good. And then I just go ahead and pour it in my glass. And normally what I'll do is I'll actually take this to work with me. I do have a cover that goes on this little mason jar, but I'll bring it to work just like this. I mainly use a straw so I don't ruin the enamel of my teeth, because this can get very, very acidic, but I don't have any straws right now at the moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a little taste test, you know. Y'all, this is freaking delicious. I love the taste of it. It isn't that nasty apple cider vinegar taste. Try drinking this one time a day. Let me know how it works out for you. If you really enjoy it, do like me. Drink it twice a day and you'll definitely see some results like I did. Yo, what should I call these little segments? Cooking would say, blending would say, what would say? You tell me. Alright y'all, so I hope y'all did enjoy my video. I hope you got some good tips. I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know what you think. I hope you do subscribe to my channel and also enter my giveaway. If you guys want to see more tips on fitness and health and things that I do to lose weight, go ahead and comment that below. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. I hope you're having a beautiful Saturday. Bye guys.